Good morning, everybody. We have left the hotel this morning bright and early, got on our scooter and had a quick 5-minute drive to Waterfall. As you can see, we are GoProing it today because it is raining. And we're not gonna let the rain stop us. Right, Had? Need your hood on? Alright, here we go. Hadley's got a snack in hand.
Oh, wow, Hadley. That is beautiful.
Hadley taking selfies with a waterfall.
You better do a funny face for your friends. Another one. Can you use your hands? Arr, so funny.
It was 500 meters to the waterfall. Little treacherous. You know, I wouldn't do it in flip-flops, but I did it with a toddler on my shoulders. Awesome views. Definitely worth it. We had to pay the 200 baht each park fee to get in. Selfies going on. All right, so we're gonna slowly walk back, take some photos. Back out on the scooter and looking for somewhere to eat, and we pulled over at this scenic roadside pullout, and this is our view. Beautiful. That was a good little roadside pullout. Definitely worth the stop for the views. Mommy's still taking it all in. How was it, Mommy?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good little stop.
Yeah.
Scooter life.
It's the best life.
It's the best life. So we've just got back from our scooter ride. We stopped at the Big C supermarket and grabbed some snacks, chips, pop, you know, all the nutritional, healthy stuff.
We did get apples.
Well, we got apples. That balances everything. We packed up, backpack, floaties. We are off to the kayaks, and we are going to take the kayaks up the little inlet to the beach. And we're going to have a little picnic. We parked our luxury yacht right here on the beach. We came from down there, so looks like another storm is rolling in. All right, let's roll. It's okay, you want me to hold it? We have finished our busy day today of waterfalls, scootering, kayaking, sandcastle building. And Hadley went down just before 7. No, it was bad a few minutes ago. So yes, that's the end of our busy day. Hopefully there's no more rain tomorrow and we can carry on. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you guys tomorrow.